Shifts nice and smooth. The suspension feels good. Brakes feel nice. The steering wheel doesn't shake when you apply the brakes. It drives really, really nice. Okay, doing a quick visual condition report, looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, and things like that. We're gonna start here on the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash, so overall it looks really good. See a really faint scuff here on the fender. Overall that mirror looks good. We do have a scratch there and right there, pretty small. Couple scuffs here and a rock chip there, little scuff there. There's a small ding right here on the quarter panel. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Then this upper rail looks good. See a small scratch here on that pillar. And then looking at the front end, here on the lower side, you do have some rash. And then of course you're gonna have your rock impacts and rock chips on the front bumper. We have a scratch right there. You got the rock chips kind of peppered throughout. And then you have a gash in the paint, and it did dent the bumper in as well. Just little rock chips peppered throughout. And then you do have the rash. And here on the hood, you do have a couple rock chips as well. All very minor. And then on the hood edge, you can see a little bit of bubbling right there in the paint and a little there. And then here on the back left quarter panel, we do have a crease right there, if you can see that. That wheel looks good. I don't see any curb rash. And then you have some damage right here. There's a crease in the door, and it did chip away some paint. A couple scuffs down here. You have some scratches on the mirror. A couple scratches here and there. And that wheel looks good. And then here on the back bumper, you can see some creases and gashes every once in a while. You got one right there, and then some chips. See some scratches here. And then looking at the deck lid here, there are some scratches right there. This paint makes it hard to see with that color. We have some scuffs and scratches here. And here in the cargo area, we do have some scratches on the plastic and some back here and a little on that left side. And then looking at the engine bay, overall looks really good. Then looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the memory seating right here, power folding mirrors, all those buttons look good. A couple scuffs here and there on the trim. That seat bolster looks amazing. Then looking at the steering wheel, you got your Bluetooth, cruise control. You do have a little bit of wear right here on the top. A little scratch there. 92,000 miles, navigation. You got your parking sensors. All those buttons look really nice. Then looking at this side, there was a car seat here, so you're gonna have a little bit of indentions. Overall, that seat looks good. Got the USB ports here on the back, a couple tiny scuffs. Got the big panoramic roof. Looking at this door panel, you have a little scratch here on the bottom. Couple scuffs on the trim there. That bolster looks good. Got a little bit of wear here. This side of the console looks nice. We do have a bubble on the dash here and a little stain over there. Then looking at this seat, looks really good. Seat back looks nice.